Hi, I'm Will, and this is the Walk for Liberty show. Unfortunately, my co-star Brooke will not be joining us today. Oh wait, there she is right now. This is the Day 117 edition for August 25th, 2008, and is brought to you by Amazon. Amazon.walkforliberty.com. I believe today was a first on the Walk for Liberty. I had two different interviews today. One by a lady from the Dakota Herald, and the other from a lady at the Lemon Leader, which is the other newspaper in this little town of Lemon, South Dakota. In fact, when we came to visit this dinosaur and local history museum this morning, the lady that owns it called the newspapers on our behalf.
I'm not getting anyone. Operator.
There's actually not one, but two museums in this small town. A man started this petrified wood park museum back in the 30s with his own money. Interesting, they chose to put the metric on just this one sign, and this state doesn't even share a border with Canada. We're starting a 100-mile stretch with no cell phone access and no RV parks, ending at Mobridge. At the last couple state border crossings, I've highlighted the fact that the state governments have been very upfront about their mandatory seatbelt enforcement laws. I had wanted to talk today about something that's a little pet peeve of mine: state seatbelt laws. However, with this wind blowing almost directly in my face all day long, I haven't really had the energy. So I'll talk about that subject in tomorrow's episode. Unfortunately, because the area we're going into doesn't have cell phone coverage, it might not get posted for a couple days. So for now, I'll leave you with this little teaser question. How many states do not have a law requiring you to wear a seatbelt? Hint, it's not very many. I walked just over 17 miles. Here's my GPS position. This is Will Buchanan for blog.walkforliberty.com, signing off. Cowboys and Indians and dinosaurs for free. Amazon. Amazon.walkforliberty.com.